Hi boys and girls, today we will begin learning about paragraph writing. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define the term paragraph, identify the parts of a paragraph, and arrange the sentences of a paragraph in the correct order. Prerequisite knowledge. In our previous lessons, you learned that the main idea of a text is what the text is mostly about. The main idea is usually stated in the first sentence of the paragraph. Supporting details are the other sentences in a paragraph that support the main idea. A topic is a word or phrase that tells what the text is going to be about. You will come across these terms in today's lesson. They will help you understand the lesson as you go along. So, let's go back. Prerequisite knowledge, things that we would have known before or we should have known before. We need to know the concept of main idea, where we usually find the main idea, what are supporting details, what is a topic. Engage. Can you arrange the following words in a meaningful sequence? The words are word, letter, paragraphs. Words, letters, paragraphs, and sentences. All right, let's see. Words, letters. Letters make words, words make sentences, sentences make paragraphs. So letters would be 1, 2 words, 3 sentences, 4 paragraphs. All right. In the same way that you arrange letters to correctly spell or write words, and you arrange words into a logical order to make sentences, so too we should arrange sentences in a meaningful order to form paragraphs. Do you know what a paragraph is? Well, a paragraph is a group of sentences that talk about one topic or main idea. When writing paragraphs, you must ensure that the sentences are written in a logical sequence. Logical means that it makes sense and can be understood by the reader. Do you enjoy eating a burger? You can use the Hamburger Paragraph Organizer to help you write good paragraphs, including the 3 important parts of a paragraph. Observe the diagram carefully. Do you see the 3 main parts of a paragraph? The Hamburger Paragraph Organizer shows you how to outline your sentences to write a good paragraph and can help you to visually organize your thoughts. Each part of a real-life hamburger plays its own part to help to make the hamburger tasty. Therefore, each part of a paragraph also plays its part in making up a good paragraph. So let's look at this hamburger paragraph. We have topic sentence, supporting detail 2, supporting detail 3, and concluding sentence. Again, so you have the topic sentence, supporting sentence 1, supporting sentence 2, supporting sentence 3, and a concluding sentence or conclusion sentence. Let's look more. Parts of a paragraph. Topic sentence. This sentence tells the reader the main idea or what the paragraph will be about. Next, supporting sentence 1. This sentence gives specific details relating to the main idea. Supporting sentence 2. This sentence gives another specific detail relating to the main idea. Supporting sentence 3. This sentence gives more specific details relating to the main idea. Concluding sentence. This sentence refers to the topic sentence and sums up the main idea of the paragraph. So again, we have the hamburger paragraph and all of the parts add to make up the paragraph. So we have the top bun here. That would be the topic sentence. We have the bun at the bottom here. This would be the concluding sentence. And in between, we have the filling. So we have the tomato slices there. That could be supporting sentence 1. We have the meat in there. Then we have the lettuce and the cheese as supporting sentence 3, and so on. So the hamburger is made tasty by the things that it would have in there. Supporting sentence 1, supporting sentence 2, supporting sentence 3, and a concluding sentence and a topic sentence that come together to give us a good paragraph. Let's explain. A paragraph is a group of sentences that are organized, related, and support one main idea. A paragraph is generally made up of 6 to 8 sentences. Each sentence in a paragraph must be related to the topic or main idea. There are 3 main parts of a paragraph, as you saw in the hamburger paragraph organizer above. These are the topic sentence, supporting details or sentences, and the concluding sentence. Let's talk about the topic sentence. The topic sentence is the first sentence in a paragraph. It is represented by the top bun on the hamburger paragraph organizer. It is a sentence that clearly expresses the main idea that you are going to speak about in your paragraph. What about the supporting details or sentences? The other sentences that give more information about the topic sentence are called supporting details. They are also called supporting sentences. These sentences are like the cheese, tomato, burger meat, etc. that are in the middle of a real hamburger. They make the hamburger tasty and enjoyable. In these sentences, you use examples to explain your points that relate to the topic sentence and support the main message you wrote in the topic sentence. Just as a cheerleader is supported by the rest of the team, the supporting details support the main idea. So what about the concluding sentence? The final sentence in a paragraph is called the concluding sentence. The concluding sentence sums up all that was written in the paragraph and repeats the main message that was expressed in the topic sentence. Extend. Now that you know what a paragraph is and the different parts that make up a paragraph, you should be able to identify them. Read the paragraphs below. Can you identify which paragraph is properly written? Share with your friends or classmates which paragraph you think is written properly and why. Let's go with paragraph 1. They can work with information much more quickly than a person. They are really fast. They are fast. Computers are helpful in many ways. Second, computers can work with lots of information at the same time. Third, they can keep information for a long time. There are many reasons why computers are useful to us. They do not forget things the way people do. How it start off? They can work with information more quickly. That sounds like a supporting detail. Let's look at paragraph 2. Computers are helpful in many ways. First, they are fast. They can work with information more quickly than a person. Second, computers can work with lots of information at the same time. Third, they can keep information for a long time. They do not forget things the way people do. There are many reasons why computers are useful to us. Yes, man. 2 sound better. 2 just make more sense. How the sentences are organized, it makes better sense. Look, first thing they say, computers are useful in many ways. So that will be the topic sentence. So we know that the paragraph will be about ways in which computers are useful. They say first, they are fast. And then they explain what they mean by they are fast. They can work with information more quickly than a person. So computers can make calculations with millions of figures. And the human brain would have to take a little time, put it on pencil and use pencil and paper to try to get there. But in seconds, milliseconds, it can make those calculations. That was one point. The first thing is the first supporting detail. Let's look at the second one. Computers can work with lots of information at the same time. See? So when we can only manage to do one page of calculation, it could calculate thousands of calculations at the same time. That's the second supporting detail or sentence. Let's go to another one. Third, they can keep information for a long time. And it says they don't forget the same way people forget. Then they go now to the concluding sentence. There are many reasons why computers are useful to us. So the first sentence, computers are useful in many ways. The last one, there are many reasons why they are useful to us. This one is a better one. All right, let's look at this. It says evaluate. And this is the activity I'd like to see you complete. Use the hamburger paragraph template to arrange the following sentences in the correct order to write a paragraph. 1. Secondly, they are used to cut stones that make beautiful jewelry. So it says secondly, maybe that is the second detail. First of all, they are very rare and can only be found in a few places in the world. First of all, I wonder where it put that. These unique qualities are some of the reasons why diamonds are expensive. Finally, diamonds can stay the same for millions of years. All right. Okay, secondly, diamonds are costly for many reasons. All right, finally. Okay, so here we have the hamburger. We have the topic sentence here. Detail number 1, detail number 2, detail number 3, and the concluding sentence. In this episode, we have been looking at paragraph writing. If you are now able to define a paragraph, identify the different parts of a paragraph, and if you were able to arrange sentences of a paragraph in the correct order, then we would have had a successful lesson. Keep this image of the hamburger in your mind so you know the parts of the paragraph. Again, the topic sentence, supporting detail 1, supporting detail 2, supporting detail 3, and a concluding sentence. Okay, guys, take care, complete the activity, and we'll see you in the next episode.